In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mood board on Milanote. Whether you're diving into a new design project, capturing the essence of an interior space, or just looking to compile your creative inspirations, a mood board can be an invaluable tool. Let's get started with setting up your canvas for creativity on Milanote. First, once you're on your Milanote home screen, you'll want to create a new board. You'll see the New Board button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it, or, if you prefer more of a hands-on approach, drag a new board item right onto your canvas from the left-hand toolbar. Once you've done that, give your board a fitting name, something that reflects the project at hand, say Project X Moodboard. This personalization helps in keeping your work organized and relevant. To open it, double-click on the board you just created. Now, an exciting feature of Milanote is their use of templates. When you open a new board, Milanote often offers the option to start with a template. I highly recommend using one, especially if this is your first mood board. Look for their mood board templates like the Design Mood Board or Interior Design Mood Board. These templates provide a pre-organized layout that can significantly streamline your process, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects rather than the structure. Once your board is set up, it's time to gather all your existing material. Think of your board as a blank canvas ready for your ideas to come to life. Start by collecting any relevant materials you already have on hand. This might include images such as photos, sketches, or even various design elements that inspire you. Don't forget documents too. These could be project briefs, notes you've jotted down, or interesting articles. Additionally, links can be invaluable. Think of URLs that direct you to inspirational websites or resources that align perfectly with your vision. You can easily upload these materials directly into Milanote by simply dragging them onto your board, making the process seamless and efficient. As your board starts to fill up with content, the next step is all about organization and refinement. Begin by arranging the items you've collected, grouping related visuals together to create harmony and coherence in your mood board. This not only improves the aesthetics, but also allows for better storytelling. You might find it helpful to add notes here and there using text blocks. These can be used to explain your choices, add some context, or clarify the direction of your project. This step is all about experimenting. Feel free to move elements around, adjust the layout, and continue refining as your ideas evolve. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a mood board on Milanote. Remember, mood boards are a dynamic and evolving representation of your ideas. Don't hesitate to revisit and tweak them as your project develops. Happy creating!